Most important question of probability. Let us see the question. Question is what? The probability of happening two events A and B are 0.25 and 0.50 are respectively. If the probability of happening of A and B together is given 0.14, then find the probability that neither A and nor B happens. So for this type of question, you know probability of A given, probability of B given, and together means probability of A union B given. And we have to find probability of neither A nor B. So simple technique is what? Probability of A union B is given, probability of A given, probability of B given, and minus probability of what? That is minus probability of A intersection B, right? It is not given. So this is 0.14. So we can find probability of A intersection B. So how much? This is 5, this is 7. So 0.75 and this is minus 0.14. So 5 minus 4, 1, 7 minus 1, 6. So this is what? 0.61. Now we have to find neither A nor B. So probability of A intersection B, neither A nor B. So we can find 1 minus probability of A intersection. So 1 minus what? 0.61. So 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 6, 3. So this is what? 0.39. So A is our correct answer.